USDC Noble is USDC in its native form on Cosmos. That means USDC without any bridge dependencies. And for that reason, it's gained a lot of attention as a helpful on-ramp asset, as well as bringing opportunities in DeFi. So in this video, we'll show you how to move your USDC from the custody of Coinbase into the wide open spaces of private DeFi in your own wallet on Shade Protocol, where you can even earn some very attractive APR by LPing. Not sure how? No worries, it's easy, and you'll see how in just a couple minutes. The only prerequisite to following the steps here is that you have a wallet setup. We'll also link a Kepler wallet setup video in the description for you. The first step is just to acquire USDC on Coinbase. Next, we're going to click Transfer. Then copy and paste your wallet address for the Noble chain and authorize this withdrawal from Coinbase. Then you can open up another tab and head to Shade Protocol, app.shadeprotocol.io/bridge. We'll be bridging in from Noble, so select that, and we're coming on to Secret Network. Once on Shade Protocol here, in your portfolio or in Swap, you can create viewing keys to de-encrypt all of your balances. This will be the case for assets that you've never interacted with before on Secret Network, including USDC Noble. And since we're interested in providing liquidity for this Silk USDC Noble pool, we're going to swap for some Silk. Now let's head to pools and check out this LP. A quick explanation about LP. You are providing a service to the protocol here, and as a result, you are incentivized with Shade token rewards. By staking your funds in this pool, you're helping people who want to make trades on this pair on the DEX and ensuring that there's adequate depth of liquidity for them to accomplish that. Thus, the nice APR that is offered. So once we've pushed this transaction through and approved it, you just want to make sure that you can see the balance of your LP shares indicated here. That lets you know that everything went as desired. So congrats, now you know how to easily move native USDC onto Noble, then into private DeFi with Shade to LP or whatever else you're interested in.